My clothing rack just collapsed last week. It's fixed now, but it collapsed not because it was cheap, but because I own too much. It made me stop and think, how many clothes do we buy because we are bored? Because they are on sale? Because social media tells us we need a new outfit every week? Some of us have closets full of clothes and still say, I have nothing to wear. Meanwhile, some pieces still have tags on them. I am guilty of that. I have clothes that still have tags on them. Maybe the problem isn't that we need more clothes. Maybe we need to appreciate what we already have. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Mfon and I'm a mama of four, and as women, we tend to acquire too much. I mean, it's natural that we want more. We are never satisfied as humans. And sometimes it's not that we have a lot of money. Like me, I am not rich. But I discovered that I have too much. And my husband was a bit mad at me. He was like, why do you have too much? I mean, we don't have enough space. And some of us, we don't have enough space, but we stuff our little space up with clothes and shoes. And sometimes, or most of the times, some of these things, we don't need it. And what hurts me the most is that some of them, I will keep it and then they will be spoiling wherever they are. And for example, these shoes, I haven't worn it that much, but if you look at it, it is already peeled and it's a new shoe. And I don't think I've worn it up to 2 times. And if you see the tag is still there, but it is peeling. And I didn't buy this shoe because I really wanted it. Yes, it's pretty. It's a pretty shoe. It is a pretty shoe. I wish I can keep it, but I can't keep it. So that is what happens when we buy things out of impulse. Oh, I might need it. And that made me see myself as my mom. I remember my mom, she would buy things like, oh, I don't have this color of shoes, but I don't wear a lot of shoes. I'm not a very fashionable person. And as you can see, I have this shirt that I use for my YouTube because I didn't want to be worrying about what to wear when I want to make my videos. And I'm very simple. So why do I still have a lot? I am not judging because in reality, we have different seasons. I mean, if you live in North America where I live, we have different seasons. We have fall, winter, summer. So my clothes are actually organized in seasons. This side is for what I'm wearing now, which is summer. In the middle, I have my sweaters and my jacket and my pants. Down to the end, I have my dresses. So we have, need for all these clothes, but sometimes they can be a little bit too much. And for winter, we want to be fashionable with our shoes. We have boots, we have, winter shoes. So that makes our shoe number to increase. And we want to have all those things getting ready for the season. So sometimes it's not because we want to acquire, but because it's what we need. But do we have to have too much? And for people like me that don't have too much, and I wonder, why do I have to have a lot of these clothes, and especially shoes? We do a lot of shoes as women. And sometimes we don't really need it. And we will just spend money without even thinking. I didn't realize the amount of shoes that I have until when I packed all of them into one big bag. And it just dawned on me that this is a lot. You don't know how much you have until when you're about to move. And sometimes we buy those things on credit. We don't have the money, but we use credit card to buy them, which puts us in debt. I was just wondering why all these shoes when I don't even wear them a lot. I mean, in a year. So we need to stop and think, why are we getting too much when we don't even have enough to share with our brothers and sisters in Christ? And as a child of God, that also made me to remember a verse in the Bible that says we should not gather too much. Your treasures should be in heaven, where moth and worms will not consume. But because everything in this world will be consumed, but what treasure am I laying in heaven? So that made me to think, as a child of God and as humans, am I being wise in my spending? And also, why do I have to buy something out of impulse? So I am guilty of that, and I'm not here to judge anybody. I've been there too. Sometimes the fullest closet still leaves the emptiest feeling. What if we invested more in contentment than in another shopping bag? You know, like I said, I have clothes that I've not worn before. I have shoes that I've not worn before. And I have some shoes that are torn because they are old and I've not even worn them up to 3 times. So here are some practical pieces of advice I would love to share. Number 1, shop with a purpose. Before buying, ask, what will I wear this with? Will I wear it at least 10 times? Number 2, create a clothing budget. Even setting aside a small monthly amount can help avoid impulse purchases. Number 3, declutter before you buy. Go through your closet first. You may rediscover outfits sometimes you forgot to wear. And number 4, choose quality over quantity. A few well-made, versatile pieces often last longer than many inexpensive items. And number 5, don't compare yourself to social media. You don't need a new outfit for every photo or event. Number 6, recognize emotional shopping. You are shopping because you are stressed, lonely, or bored. Pause and ask what you really need in that moment. And number 7, teach contentment. Children often learn spending habits before watching their parents. So, showing gratitude for what you have can be a powerful example. So, there is nothing wrong with enjoying fashion, but if our closets are overflowing while our finances, peace of mind, or priorities are struggling, it may be time to ask ourselves what we are really searching for. Sometimes the richest life isn't having more, it's needing less. I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know, do you have too much and still be looking for what to wear? Or are you contented with what you have? Or what are your plans moving forward? For me, I have decluttered a little bit, take away some clothes and shoes and share with others, and also try to not to buy clothes anymore. I am on a break for now. If I don't need it, I don't have to buy it. If I'm not going to wear it like 10 times, I don't need it. So like this video, subscribe to my channel. Here we talk about healthy parenting, taking care of yourself, thinking about how you can be better parent and also be the best you can be. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.